Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are unboxing Suzie Blue.
Welcome Lovelies. Well, Suzie Blue, when I hear Suzie Blue, it smacks summer. That's all I can think about.
It's the only time we bring it in, I think.
I think so too.
Yeah.
And for good reason, because it's light, it's airy, beautiful colors, very colorful.
Colorful, beautiful.
Every piece is very colorful.
Light
and
cotton.
yeah.
100% cotton.
Yeah.
Beautiful pieces. There's dresses, caftans. We're very excited to show you some great ponchos. Very exciting, but we got Charlie here. He's decided to join us. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Such a sweetheart. But let's do a little fit check before we get started.
Yes, look at you. Smart looking one.
I know, I love it.
I love it.
So we just reordered more of these ladies because we're almost sold out. Lousje, I know, claimed dibs on one. And when I just did the reorder, I reordered one for myself because it is the cutest piece ever.
The design and the fit is just absolutely perfect.
So this is the linen vest from Cut Loose.
Hanky linen.
Hanky linen. So I actually have an extra small on. I know in the video when we dropped it, I think I put a small on because it was a bit, but this one's not bad.
It needs to be fitted.
It needs to be fitted and it's gonna relax.
Yeah.
But it fits nice under the arms. And then I put it with this Boris dress.
Yeah,
how beautiful
what a great
is that?
idea.
So this Boris dress is in the sale, Lovelies, in the summer sale, but it looks beautiful. I love it. And then pop of color. Pop of color.
Color. You know what I bought it for? I have a lot of little jackets.
Yeah.
And to wear it underneath instead of a t-shirt or a cami, it's such a smart look, you know?
That's great.
Yeah. Even if you wear this open and you have this
it
underneath.
It'd be really cute.
It just elevates the whole look.
Yeah. And it's funny because Lousje just asked me, like, what about other colors? And I thought, well, what other color?
No.
Like, no.
Then she said, what other color would you want? And I thought about it. Not really.
No, it's that nice little shell underneath.
Yeah. And the little pearly buttons.
Pearly buttons, beautiful. Ziska, beautiful. We got
Ziska never disappoints.
No.
Ziska.
Yeah, and Ziska.
And Ziska.
Yeah.
And
what a color on you, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Kedzoric Lovelies. 100% linen in the sale, in the summer sale.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Love it, love it. And Grisas.
Oh, the new Grisa skirt.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is
so
beautiful.
Extra small.
Yeah. This, I don't know if this, I mean, it is, no, this is, sorry ladies, I think because of the sale, we only had a medium large left. So you're actually wearing a medium large.
Well, you can get away with it.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Because it's that design, right?
Yeah. Very boxy.
Very boxy. Okay.
All right, let's get to it. We have some beautiful pieces here, and I don't know which I should show you first. So we've done different ones over the years, but this is one of our favorites. So this is the dress that has you can tie up the sleeves, so you can have it longer or shorter. If you're taller, you can have it a bit longer. Nice V.
Tessa, it even
pockets.
has pockets.
Yeah, pockets. And it has a beautiful slit here. This is what we love.
Oh, yes.
It has a beautiful side slit here. It's
on both
absolutely
sides.
Gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
Both
I love
sides. Yeah, this is our favorite design that they have in the dress. This is just like the perfect,
I love it.
you know, summer, beach, cottage, travel.
You know what I like too about it is that you can adjust this. I wouldn't want the feet that low, so I would just knot it up a few inches.
But if you have like a tank underneath, you can have it a bit little white tank showing.
That would be very nice.
So that is absolutely beautiful.
This is a beautiful color, actually.
I know.
You know, clay or
brick. It's got the tie-dye.
That's right.
Tie-dye or batik. Would you call it batik? It's more tie-dye.
It's more tie-dye.
Yeah. And then we have, this is the caftan.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
So we call it kind of a duster.
Yes.
You know, just a cardi duster cover. These are all one size too, ladies, a free size.
This together?
I know, so you can wear it together. You could wear this on its own with just a pair of, you know, white linen pants. Be absolutely gorgeous. So it's got a nice drop sleeve there.
Yeah.
And it's got a lot of room, but then it's really cute design here. It comes in.
It comes in a little.
They've sewn it in the inside, so it's got a little bit of a shape here.
Yeah. I love it. And also it has a sash.
It does have a belt.
So
that
you can also wear it as your dressing gown in the morning.
Yeah,
your house coat.
Absolutely.
You know,
as your house coat.
In the summer?
Yeah.
With this heat?
Yeah. We have a customer that buys them every year, and she said she wears it as a house coat.
Really, eh?
Yeah. Beautiful. And 100% cotton Lovelies.
Yeah.
Will wash great too. Just machine wash, cold hang to dry. You can light iron it if you like.
And a really good price point.
Mm-hmm. Very good price point. Yeah. It's the perfect, like right now, you know, you're kind of done buying your summer line, your summer collection for your wardrobe, but this is just that nice little pop fill in. Exactly. So we have another colorway here. Beautiful set.
Oh, that's a beautiful
Isn't
color
that
too.
Gorgeous? Yeah. I know, it's gorgeous. Yeah. And I'm going to be styling these up tomorrow, Lovely, so you can see them on.
Can't wait.
And play with the monochromatic, because I believe the pictures that Suzie Blue has for us, they're not put together. So I'll put them together for you.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Because
by the way, nice. You're doing a bang on job.
Oh, you like it?
I love it.
She's so
no, cute. You do.
You're so fun. And then here's another set with the duster. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Set.
And then one last one. You're going to love this, the colorway. Sort of out of my box anyways, but it is I can't wait to put it on though, because in the summer with a nice tan, like these colors are gorgeous. Yeah, look how beautiful.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful Lovelies. Yeah. And again, this slit, it's so feminine and nice.
This will be pushing it for you. But you know, there's a few of you Lovelies have commented on Tessa's videos and telling you that the colors, you look so good in color.
I know.
She doesn't care.
She's
got her own vibe going.
We just had 3 graduations. Oh my goodness.
Oh my, so fun.
Oscar graduated grade 8. He's going into grade 9 next year, Lovelies. My daughter Ruby graduated grade 12. And then Ryan's son Reese graduated grade 12. So we had it like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right in a row, back to back. The first day though, I will show you a picture here with Oscar and Ruby. I'm wearing the Griza skirt with the Griza's little jacket. I have the white jacket on. Yeah. But the other 2 graduations, I had black and black.
She looked very chic.
So here's a picture of Ruby and I. So cute. She was so happy. But anyways, it's funny. It's how I roll. But I thought I should have popped it with white, but all of them, but I only had the one white jacket and I couldn't wear it to all 3.
No, love, but it's like how you feel. That's how you feel best.
Yeah, true.
You do.
Yeah, I do. So, okay. And then here is the caftan.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah.
I can just, wow, with a tan.
I know. Beautiful. Even this with a pair of jeans.
Yeah.
You know, and I'll show you a way of belting it up tomorrow that we like to do. Yeah. A different way.
And also this over, you know, white linen pants. Yeah. A little white summer dress.
But if you're cruising, like would that'd be amazing. Yes. You're going to the pool. Like it's endless, really.
And if you pack and you roll it, you flatten it and then you roll it, you shake it out, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So here's a solo dress. I couldn't resist the print because I love it. Beautiful. This is like a gray with a sort of, gorgeous tie-dye.
And then you can go nuts with Siska or Majestic.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, they've been sweltering in Europe, right? My sisters have been WhatsApping me every day. Oh, we're so hot and it's getting hotter tomorrow and so on and so on. But it's different for them. It's different.
Yeah.
My one sister just had wall aircos put in, one in her bedroom, one in the living room. But most people don't. Oh, really?
Yeah, most don't. That's true.
Yeah, Tante Geet, she cannot tolerate heat at all. So, but you're cooped up in your home and they're not used to that. Well, hello.
I know.
That's what we've
I know. We're so used to it. I love it actually. I put the air really low. I don't like it freezing.
No, I don't like it cold
like that. Okay, so here's a beauty, another solo piece just on its own. The caftan. We couldn't resist the colors. Look at how beautiful that ocean blue with the the turquoise. Yeah. It's awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, beautiful, eh?
Yeah, beautiful.
And then this is my One of my favorite. So here's the belt too. I'll show you the
surprise,
little belt
surprise.
that comes with it.
It's black.
Yeah, it's black.
Oh,
black and white. But how
love
beautiful is it?
Tessa.
Isn't that a beautiful print?
I love it.
And they didn't have a dress in this, unfortunately, Lovely. So it's just the caftan.
I love it.
And then here's the belt that you can sash up.
Yeah.
So we'll show you that tomorrow.
Yeah.
But so beautiful.
Great.
Awesome. All right. And then we have the ponchos, which are amazing. And there's ponchos that are matching over the dresses. So we'll style that up for you as well tomorrow. But these are just like an easy piece to have in your purse, take travel. And we have a few colors here. So we have, of course, black. And great price point, ladies, $29. That's amazing. So here we go. Look at that. So,
nice.
Yeah.
We had these before.
We've had these. Well, yeah, but this is actually a better knit, I find. I picked this one over one we had before. The other one was more popcorny, but this one's more refined, I find, than knit. It's a finer knit, so it feels really nice.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Go ahead.
You can just put this in your purse.
I know. Well, that's the beauty.
Yeah.
And actually, I mean, I'll just throw one on here just so you lovelies can see. Yeah. But it's just so easy, right?
Look at that.
Yeah. So you have an instant little arm cover.
Yeah. Great.
We have this beautiful turquoise.
Color.
And that will be beautiful over that dress. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Great.
Beautiful. We have a dusty rose.
Oh, lovely too. Yeah, you picked really good colors.
Yeah.
Like, look at this
I know. Gorgeous.
Oh, pretty, pretty.
So they're all going to match up with the dresses, which is amazing.
Right.
And then last but not least, this beautiful.
Oh, the rose. Gorgeous.
Maybe this is the dusty rose. Yeah, this is the dusty pink. What did we call this one? Sorry, Mom. Taupe. It's a pinky taupe.
Pinky taupe. Look, it's like this color.
Yeah. But yeah, gorgeous. These are no-brainers, really, ladies. Yeah. Those are great.
Awesome.
Lovely.
Okay. What an exciting job.
I know. So we lost Charlie, but watch out tomorrow. I'm going to style these all up. If you have any questions, please let us know. They are free size. We are saying they're fitting great from a 4'6" to an 18'20".
Oh yeah.
Please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And
as always, keep on smiling.